You know that feeling when you unbox something truly game-changing? That moment when innovation meets practicality? Well, today we have something that's not just another gadget, it's a revolution. Whether you're a power user, a casual tech lover, or someone who just wants the best experience possible, this product might just blow your mind. Keeping this in mind today, we are unboxing and review the newly launched Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G. This new mid-range smartphone from Infinix aims to blend flagship features with mid-range specifications. Some standout aspects include a 100x Periscope zoom camera, an ArmorAlloy build, and wireless charging support. I'm eager to see how it performs. And one more thing that it comes with new Infinix AI feature, which talk about more in depth further in the video. So without wasting time, let's unbox it. At first, you get a black box, let's put it aside. Then here is the Infinix 50 Pro Plus. Let's power it on and put it aside. Then you get the 100-watt charger in the box, which is Type-C. And the charging cable is also Type-C to Type-C. And interestingly, it also includes a pair of Type-C earphones. And we forget this black box. This contains SIM ejector tool, SVIP card, and a good quality screen glass protector, which you can easily apply using this, and a stylish Infinix branded silicone case, which incorporates a magnetic coil for wireless mag charging. Finally, the star of the show, the phone itself. It redefines durability and design, crafted with ArmorAlloy, a groundbreaking blend of Damascus steel and aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. The Note 50 series offers a frame that is tougher than plastic, yet lighter than stainless steel. This unique material, inspired by automotive manufacturing, delivers exceptional impact and corrosion resistance, ensuring the phone thrives even in humid conditions. Not only is the design sleek and strong, but it is also eco-friendly. You also have some new AI features, like introduces One-Tap Infinix AI, bringing a new level of intelligent interaction to your fingertips. Powered by DeepSeek R1 technology, this smart system offers precise, context-aware responses and seamlessly integrates with the Folax voice assistant. With just a long press of the AI button, you can activate Folax and access the advanced deep thinking mode, unlocking powerful AI capabilities for tasks like writing, translation, problem solving, and programming. Beyond everyday tasks, DeepSeek R1 excels at complex functions like literature analysis and code generation, while also supporting multi-language processing. One-Tap Infinix AI enhances productivity with tools like the Document Assistant, which summarizes lengthy reports and documents, and the Recording Summary feature. The AI Studio brings creativity to life with tools like AI Eraser, AI Cutout, and the AI Wallpaper Generator, allowing users to edit photos, create digital art, and design personalized wallpapers with ease. Whether it's transforming a sketch into digital artwork or generating creative wallpapers, One-Tap Infinix AI delivers a seamless, efficient, and versatile experience, making every task quicker and smarter. The display on this device is a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2436 by 1080 and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It supports dynamic refresh rates, allowing you to switch between 60 Hz and 144 Hz based on usage. Additionally, it features Google Widevine Level 1 certification and supports HDR10, HDR10+. With a peak brightness of 1300 nits, the display is vibrant and sharp. It has very less bezels from top to bottom, which overall looks impressive while watching any move or content. In terms of ports, the phone offers a dual 5G SIM card tray, a Type-C charging port, a microphone hole, and a bottom-firing speaker. The power button and volume controls are located on the sides, while the top has an IR blaster, an additional microphone hole, and a JBL branded loudspeaker. And when we talk about the performance, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate, an octa-core chipset clocked at 3.35 GHz, along with Mali G615 graphics. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G offers up to 12 GB of super fast LPDDR5X RAM, delivering faster data transfer compared to LPDDR. The phone also supports virtual RAM expansion, allowing users to extend it up to 12 GB using internal storage, which is UFS 4.0. We run to many tests like Antutu, Geekbench, and Wildlife Stress Test. In Antutu, you get a good score around 1.1 million, and in Geekbench, CPU benchmark result, it get 997 single core score and 3,547 in multi-core score, and in last, we test Wildlife Stress Test, and you get 73.8% stability. All these score indicates that this phone is also handle good FPS or heavy games. We run heavy games like Genshin Impact, and yes, it's handle it easily, but if you play this type of games more than 1 or 2 hours, it's little bit get heat up, but it also cool down soon. And for the FPS, it can go max at 60 FPS, but I recommend to play at 30 FPS for a buttery smooth gameplay. And in BGMI, you have the maximum ultra with HDR graphic, and we play it around 1 hour and it's smooth. And you also have additional XBOOST option, which have so many options like performance mode and bypass charging options. Audio performance is enhanced by stereo speakers tuned by JBL, delivering a rich and immersive sound experience. The battery setup includes a 5,200 milliamp hour silicon carbon battery, supporting 100-watt wired fast charging, which allows a full charge in just 32 minutes. Additionally, 50-watt wireless mag charging and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging are supported. It comes with triple camera module, a 50 megapixel Sony IMX896 main sensor, captures more light with its larger pixels, reducing noise and expanding dynamic range for stunning day or night shots. It excels in portrait photography, offering natural perspective and soft bokeh, with OIS ensuring stable shake-free photos even in low light. The 112-degree field of view 0.6x ultra-wide lens, a first for the Note series, captures expansive scenes and group photos with added space and visual impact. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G features the highest configuration telephoto lens in its class, with a 50 megapixel 3x ultra-thin periscope lens, offering up to 6x digital lossless zoom and up to 100x ultimate zoom, making it the most powerful long focus lens in its segment. The lens includes AI super resolution and optical image stabilization (OIS) for clearer shake-free images, sharp distant details, and smooth zoom. The front camera comes with a 32 megapixel sensor. Video capabilities include 4K at 60 frames per second with both standard and ultra steady modes, while the front camera supports up to 4K at 30 frames per second. A unique feature of this phone is the built-in heart rate sensor. You just need to put your finger on the sensor and it gives you exact accurate results. And in OS side, it comes with XOS 15.0.2 with Android 15, and it go up to Android 17, which means it receive 2-year main software update. Security is top-notch with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that works reliably even with wet fingers. Connectivity features include NFC, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6E, and an IR blaster. For under $500, this device offers an impressive package, an attractive design, a quality AMOLED display, solid performance, and excellent camera capabilities. However, it lacks Dolby Vision support, Netflix HDR compatibility, IP68 certification, but it comes with IP64 rating and features a slightly lower peak brightness compared to competitors. Despite these minor setbacks, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus stands as one of the best mid-range smartphones available today. That's all for this review. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased tech reviews. See you in the next one. Peace.